kind of excited. I actually made something just now. I could not get out of bed earlier. And then I got hungry and then got to the top of the stairs and was like, oh, well, if I'm going down the stairs, then I'm gonna put some music on. So, yeah, I got this, and I got this. This is like over a year old. It's Lepidium. It's pepperweed roots and greens, and then some turnip just to feed the bugs. And I kept it for like a year. It's got like a white pepper flavor, but I use it to inoculate certain ferments because it bypasses the initial stages of some types of ferments. It's good for like corn and tomatoes, I've found. And I think I might have this wrong. I'm pretty sure it lets plantarum, the Lactobacillus plantarum, dominate in the final culture. So it has like a really nice tart fizziness without actually breaking down a lot of the carbohydrates. It leaves more of them intact in my experience. I think I got that from Sally Fallon's book, like way a long time ago. But it's how I used to do like my corn and my salsas for like, I don't know, 10 years. So this just like came out of my head. This is green tomatoes, and there's some Ajuan or Cuban oregano. There's another word for it, and I'm forgetting. This is a really cool word for it. But I got some chopped chilies, some of the chilies I grew, some hardneck garlic. I don't know what kind it is, but it's like, it's amazing. It has the best flavor ever. I've got like 4 cloves of that I grew. I got some lemon geranium, rose geranium. I'm forgetting something. Yep, this gives it a ton of that flavor. It's like white pepper and it's horseradishy. It's very clean. It doesn't taste like sauerkraut juice because it does have so much flavor in it and not a lot of dilution. It must have been like a 10% salinity or something. It was something like something that was normal for me. But yeah, this is all it's all pepper. It's pepperweed all the way down. It's pounded roots that were cleaned, and then it's also a bunch of the leaves, like the rosettes. And I harvested those last fall. So yeah, they're a year old. And then this, I think I'm gonna put it in the fridge overnight so it doesn't pop, so I can have like an airtight lid on it. But it's the kind of thing where if you're using a starter, it's going to be so shelf stable. It can go right from fermentation to the fridge to just like, it lasts a really long time, considering that it has tomatoes in it. So I'm doing my green tomatoes this year from the garden, and I thought I wasn't gonna make it to getting to do them, but I started like remembering a lot more oh yeah, that's what I was doing. That's where I left off. Okay. I think I got this again, maybe. I mean, it'd be a shame. Like, I learned a lot. It's like the thing that lights me up now is dancing. It's weird. I've never danced. But like, I'll look at mushrooms and be like, oh, where's the dopamine hit? It's starting to come back, but yeah. So yeah, just some green tomato pickles. Oh, and I use an airlock after they go in the fridge to kind of marinate, just so like the gases and the salt granules get evenly distributed. Fridge overnight. Give it a couple shakes. Repack, so everything's like tight down. Tomatoes are really good for that, being able to pack down into a jar.